Hello and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I am assessing a Commodore 64. So I'm going to connect the keyboard again, which means I need to turn off the power. The LED plugs in on the right side of the board. Is that really necessary? Well, it's always nice to know if the LED is working. The keyboard plugs in on the left side. It only fits in the way that it fits in because there's one pin thing that is not used and you can't, like, it's blocked off. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. Oh no. I think I saw something fly. Anyway, okay, so the top is back on. We'll turn this on, and then we'll see how, oh, the shift lock is down. But wait, the shift lock didn't do anything. You know what I want to do? I want to poke 53280, 0. I want to poke 53281, 0. I want to change this to white. Good. Now, interesting. The shift lock key does not appear to be working. That is a shame. Alright, but before we go on, let's just see. We'll just put all the keys, just all the regular keys. And it does seem that things, oh, yeah. See, with keys that don't do anything, if you hit them, things should pause. Things should happen. Now that's weird. Oh, maybe it's not weird. See, I'm just pressing the different keys along with the control things so I can change the colors. And that seems to be okay. But I want to do Control 2 to put it back to white. Syntax error, of course it is. I'm putting in a quick program. I'll run it. There it is. World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore. It does seem that the only thing, and I'm going to work the key a bit here, the only thing that I find that may not be working is the shift lock key. Not bad, considering all things. So, thanks for coming. We'll do a little bit more in the next video. We shall, oh, and the LED is on. Life is good. Bye for now.